Nicole reporting on Channel Asshole News. Today we are here with one of the best legend basketball player. How would you describe yourself and your basketball career to the young viewers of Asshole News tonight?
Oh hey bra. Take it easy brah, what's going on? Brah, I am the best basketball player Asshole News will ever see brah. I swear man, you just gotta stop getting in my way brah, and let me play my motherfucking game.
Oh Fushesly my nizzle bro, relax. Now I know why I work on Channel Asshole News. Thank you asshole, much appreciate, and on I go to talk to another asshole. Cheers big ears. Holla.